Hey there, I'm Kristen.
And I'm Patrick. Welcome to the ACDelco Garage.
Patrick and I were just talking about motors, window motors.
If you've ever had a slow-moving window or a window that won't go up or down, the cause could be a dead window motor.
And while it may not be the most powerful motor in your vehicle,
We definitely count on our power windows to work properly when we need them.
there's nothing worse than rolling up to the drive-thru and not being able to roll down your window.
Oh, that's so true. So let us show you on our simulated door. So this button represents the power window switch that's normally found on the inside of the door.
When we press our window button, we expect it to work, but over time, lift components can wear out and stop your windows from going up or down.
Now, power windows have been around since the 1940s.
And while growing more sophisticated over the years, the same basic principles of those original power windows apply to today's versions.
So before we talk about replacing window motors and other lift components, let's look at what goes on inside your door when you press that little window button.
As you can see, there are four basic components. The run channel, which supports the black rubber seal around the glass itself, the regulator assembly, which consists of the moving parts that make the window go up and down, and finally the motor, which is the silver piece in the middle that powers the entire window. Now let's show you what they can do.
However, if you hear the motor running inside the door, but the window still doesn't move, it's most likely the regulator that has failed. Here's your regulator, and think of the regulator as your cradle for the glass, so the glass is held with these sides here. The motor powers the regulator, so that fits in right here, and the regulator is what does the actual lifting and lowering of the glass.
Now, if you hear a loud pop when attempting to work on your window, on many models this could be an indicator that the cable has actually broken inside the regulator assembly. This means that your window is hanging in limbo inside your door.
When it comes time to replace the lift components of your power window, whether it's the motor, regulator, or cable, you'll want to visit the technicians at your ACDelco Professional Service Center. Find a part or locate the nearest service center, just visit acdelco.com.
While you can do this repair yourself, replacing these components requires taking the door panel off with special equipment. It really is best to see the experts to make sure it's done correctly.
They do have all the tools and talent to get it done right.
And when choosing your replacement parts, trust ACDelco's extensive line of professional window regulators, motors, and complete assemblies.
There's nothing worse than a window that doesn't close properly, which is why ACDelco lift components are configured for the exact specifications of your GM vehicle, ensuring a precise fit.
But that's not all.
ACDelco offers an incredible selection of power window replacement parts for most makes and models. So regardless of what you drive, chances are you'll find the parts you need.
Better yet, all ACDelco professional window parts are produced using ISO quality standards, which require extensive quality testing.
From intensive up and down cycling to drop testing, you can be certain of the quality of all window parts from ACDelco.
ACDelco also ensures that their power window motors are quiet, operating at just 54 decibels, which is roughly the sound of your typical refrigerator, a nice gentle hum.
Oh, that's something you don't hear other brands talk about.
In fact, some competitive window components require installers to drill, cut, splice, even zip tie their components together to make their products work.
But not ACDelco. You're going to get an exact fit and the assured quality you expect so you can save time and move on to your next project.
Well, that's all for us. Thank you for watching ACDelco Garage.
And we'll see you next time.